Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm repotting tulips, and I would like to show you something really interesting. This is a botanical tulip called Tulipa tarda, and I planted in a 7-liter pot very shallowly, so the bulbs were around 3 to 4 centimeters deep, or a little bit more, but it's not really relevant at the moment. So when the tulips make new bulbs every year, and what you plant in the autumn will be used to make the new shoots and the new bulbs and the flower. And after flowering, the tulip makes new bulbs. So this is what you can pick up in end May, early June or July. And these tulips, you can see here that they were like this deep. So it's like 2 inches deep, 5 centimeters, and the tulip bulb, the old bulb, was here and it shriveled completely. And you can see that the old tulip bulb made new bulbs below the old bulb, and these are called droppers. Not all tulip cultivars species make this, but Tulipa tarda is making it, and you can see that the new bulb is at the correct planting depth. So this one also, this was the old bulb. It's totally shriveled and all the nutrients are gone, and you can see the old roots, and the new bulbs are here below the old bulb. So this is another bulb. I think I planted like 12 bulbs. And sometimes if they are deep enough, they don't change the depth, like here. But when they need to go deeper, they just make these droppers. And these are usually made by species tulips or Tulipa kaufmanniana or Tulipa greigi hybrids, or maybe Fosterniana too. And this is very interesting, I think. And it's totally normal, so you don't worry about this because it's normal, it's part of the normal biology of this plant. So these tulips are almost totally dormant, and I pick them out and keep them dry in the summer, because tulip bulbs do not like to be bothered in the summer. They need to be dry and warm, kept dry and warm, otherwise the bulbs can rot because of fusarium and other diseases, and they do not grow well. Tulipa tarda and other species are not necessarily need to be dig up every year, and this is also the same for old cultivars. And because they are bred to be garden plants, but the new cultivars which are bred to be cut flowers, they need to be dug every year and kept in a cool, or like cool, I mean it's like 20 to 25 degrees Celsius place in the summer, and replanted in autumn, in late September in Hungary, up until early December, when the soil is not frozen. The ideal tulip bulb planting temperature is 9 degrees Celsius, but you can still do it if the soil is about 5 degrees Celsius. So that's all for now for tulips. And hyacinths are also the same. They need to be stored warm and dry, otherwise they rot. But daffodils are different. They need to be stored in the soil, a little bit cool and moist, because they do not really like to dry out. Okay, now this is all I wanted to say today. Thank you very much for your attention. If you like the content, you can like and subscribe, or leave a comment. I'm sorry. And thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.